So this is a part 2 of hub and spoke DMVPN. We are going to configure protocols, BGP protocols on this video. First, before going to proceed, I just want to explain you what is BGP. BGP stands for Border Gateway Protocol, and it is a standardized exterior gateway protocol designed to exchange routing and reachability information among autonomous systems on the internet. The protocol is classified as a path vector protocol. And how does BGP protocol works? BGP is a short for Border Gateway Protocol, as I mentioned earlier, and it is the routing protocol used to route traffic across the internet. BGP is a layer 4 protocol where peers have to be manually configured to form RTCP connected and begin speaking BGP to exchange routing information. And why we use BGP? BGP is always used as a routing protocol of choice between ISPs known as external BGP, but also as the core routing protocol. Within large ISP networks known as internal BGP, all other routing protocols are concerned solely with finding the optimal path towards all known destination. So this is a basic some information regarding the BGP protocol. So now we are going to implement the BGP protocol. Let's start from router 2, which is ISP, and that's the main router where we will install or configure this protocol. Okay, so we are now configuring the BGP protocol. We have to go to router 2. Show BGP, show IP, BGP, summary. So BGP summary, BGP is not active. That's router BGP 200. We can give any S number, so we are just giving 200 as per our topology what we set. This is BGP, this one is 200. We can also update here. It's okay, so router BGP 200, router ID ID 2.2.2. We will give according to the router number. No auto summary. And then we will define the neighbors. The neighbors here, see, router 2 has 3 neighbors. Router 4, router 5, router 1. So we will assign these neighbors. And also we will make sure that the router 2 is providing the default route to other routers. I mean, router 1, router 4, router 5 are getting default routes from ISP router or router 2. So now neighbor, the first neighbor is, this is the one, this one, this one, this one. These three neighbors we will going to assign. Neighbor 12.12.12.2, and then remote AS 100. What is that? This remote AS is this one. This is for router 1. 100 2. Second we will do for network 8.8.8.8, and then mask is 255.255.255.255, and now go to router 1 to add the protocols for router 1. Config T router BGP. Now we have to tell the AS number for this router. This is 100. So router BGP 100, and then BGP router ID 1.1.1. No auto summary, and then about the neighbors. So router 1 has only one neighbor, which is R2. Neighbor 12.12.12.1, and then remote AS. Remote AS is 200. How? You can see this one. For this router, the remote AS 200. And then and we can WR for saving the configuration. So the same way we will do for router 4 and router 5. So for router 4 also we assign the protocol BGP router, how we did the same way, router BGP 400, and then BGP router ID, which is 4444, and then neighbor, we mentioned the neighbor, but make sure after router BGP we have to mention also no auto summary, and then neighbor 24.24.1, which is here. You can see this is router 4. Its neighbor is this one, 24.24.1. So and NWR, and we save the configuration. So now we are going router 5, and we'll do the same thing here. Config T router BGP 500 BGP router, router ID 5.5.5, no auto summary, and then neighbor. Who is its neighbor? Router 5, so this is the neighbor. So 25.25.1, 25.25.25.1, and then remote. Remote AS, what is remote AS? 200. And MWR. So we have saved the configuration. So as we now configure our BGP protocol between R1, R2, R5, R4, we will see to confirm, to verify, to show BGP, show IP, BGP summary, so see router 2 has 3 neighbors. This router has 3 neighbors, 1, 2, 3, and this is the network 12.12.12. The router number 0.2, this is pointing here, and then this one is pointing here 24.24.2, 24.24.24.2, and then 25.25.25.2. So we can see here these 3 neighbors here, because we didn't work on, we didn't advertise the loopback, so they are not there, because we just want the internal network through the BGP. So now we will go there in router 4. I'll see how many neighbors. They should have a 1 neighbor. Show IP interface. Show IP BGP summary, and you can see here this one. Router 4 has also this neighbor 24.24.1. So 24.24.1. So this is router 2. Next hop. And now we will see router number. Show IP BGP summary. And we can see we have a neighbor here now, which is router 5 neighbors, which is 25.25.25.1. So this is its next hop, its neighbor. So now we will ping the routers. I am on router 1 and now ping this router, this is its neighbor, ping 12.12.12.1. This is definitely should ping because it's neighbors, but now I'm going through this router 5. So ping 25.25.25.2. This one is. So you seen it's pinged now, and we can go here. Just change the one. It's all interfaces. It's pinging. So I can try ping other router 4, 24.24.24.2, trying to ping from router 1 to router 4, but they was having some issue. So when I did the command show run, I found this error, because what happened, I was supposed to also mention the default originate, so I didn't do that one. I have to add this information for the default originate, so I'm going to do that one. Config T router BGP 200 neighbor, which one? This one, the 24.24.24.2 from here to this one. Then we have to mention default originate. That's it. So I have added this line, and now I can see show run. So now you can see this one has default originate. So if I ping from router 1, ping router, this one, 24.24.24.2. Now see, it's pinging. So the issue has been resolved. Again, you can see ping, and now I can try the one also. It's pinging. So R1, R2, R5, they are pinging, and so our BGP protocol is completed now, and we'll go for part number 3, where I will inform you for how to configure DMVPN. So for that we will create a tunnel for the point to multipoint. Thank you very much for watching this one. Bye for now.